welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you back. In today's tutorial, we are kicking it off with something new and fresh. This gorgeous unit is from Arabella hair. They went ahead and sent me this number 4 chestnut brown unit, and this is what I decided to do with it. I was playing around with, like, you know, feathering just as well as super light layers. I wanted to ensure that just in case you didn't know how to cut layers in your hair, you could still get the layered curl look. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. This gorgeous unit from Arabella hair is their number 4 dark chestnut brown unit, and it is in 24 inches and body wave. This hair is super dense, super full, and I did a side part. It actually came in a side part, a higher one. I decided to put it lower, and I also decided to go ahead and give it some nice loose curls, and it just definitely pops. I love this unit from Arabella hair, and if you'd like to get your hands on it, don't forget to click the links in the description box. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to do this quick and easy glueless wig install, as well as how I got my curls looking just like this. Alright babes, so I'm back. How are we loving these curls? I really feel like they're eating currently, and when I just did them they definitely were a little bit more defined. I'm still loving the results thus far. I feel like this is perfect for someone who does not know how to do all that cutting but they can curl. It's a really quick, simple and easy thing to do. Once you get some practice and just a few curls behind you, it's gonna be so easy to complete this look. And I feel like you should just follow what you see in the tutorial. Recurling, don't curl or start from all the way up with twisting your barrel. Make sure you bring it to the ends as you are lower, and then higher you go higher with where you put the curls. So that's as easy as I can explain it. And as for right now, I'm living for the side part. Like, I can push her back, she's cute. I just love this look with just little to no effort. It came out so perfectly, and if you'd like to do it too, definitely follow along to my tutorial and let me know how you like it. This hair is so nice and soft, super easy to comb through. I'm not experiencing any type of shedding, and as you can see, there is no such thing as tangling because I'm literally doing this in real time with no other cuts. And it just goes to show how gorgeous and silky smooth the hair is showing to be, as well as it actually is. If you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit from Arabella Hair, don't forget to go ahead and click the links in my description box. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.